Thank you for watching this video. This video is intended for learning coaches who are checking on their students for a daily conference. The first thing that you want to do is open up the semester pacing guide. I suggest that you keep a printed copy of this and train your student to mark off assignments with just a big X when they have completed it. And then I encourage you to verify that before they have their free time for the day. So this reads like a calendar. And you can just scroll down to the date, the current date here. It is Tuesday, November 8th. So you can see here, there's Tuesday, November 8th, and the assignment is Unit 4, Lesson 5, and there is a quiz. So we're going to toggle over to the LMS, logged in as the student, and show how to verify that that assignment is actually done. So going into the LMS, the way to check if the assignment's been done is click under Content, and then go down to Unit 4 and go to the assignment for the day. It was Lesson 5. You can see that green check right there, that green check means that all of the lesson components have been done. If we actually click into the lesson, we can see specifically that there's a green check all the way down, including for the assessment. And so that means that the student has gotten into every part of the lesson and completed that lesson. You can also click on assessment and go over to the middle and dig into that as well if you'd like to see how they did, if they missed any, if they'd like to review and retake it. I'm going to show that part to you in just a moment. It's loading up. Okay, so from this screen where we clicked into that quiz, we can see that the student got an 80%. They can click review and review any of the problems they missed. And it says right here, you may retake this 2 more times. And so if your goal for them is to take it until they get 100%, once you've reviewed and gone over the problem they missed, checked for understanding, then go ahead and click retake. When you actually click into that review, it tells you what the right answer is and what the answer is that they chose. And I just encourage you to have them reason through, maybe set a standard that if they get an 80 or 100, they don't have to do that extra step. But if they get a 60 or below, that you're going to require that during your conference with them, and also require them to retake it for mastery and then they don't have their free time until they've done that. That would be my encouragement for you. We're going to just go up here and exit out of this. Besides checking that the daily assignment is done, you can also go into the grade book and just click on grades, and then just scroll down to the unit that we're on and just check whether or not that grade is showing up as you'd like, if you notice any issues. If you keep up with this daily, those are the only things that you'll need to check, and then math has been checked off for the day. And I guarantee you, if your student knows that you're going to take the time to check on them, they're going to raise to your expectation and get their work done. So I just encourage you to go ahead and log in on them and check in, make sure that that work is done every day. While I had you logged into your student account, I just wanted to take a moment to see that you can see the overall grade here on the main page. We're not using the overdue feature with the Summit courses because they are, it's being inaccurate. It's saying that even excused assignments are overdue, or when we have a late start or a student that does a placement change. So we're not using that feature, which is why it's excellent that you went ahead and viewed this video to see how to check on your child. Also here under class updates will be any feedback, any assignments that are teacher graded. If I recently submitted an assignment back to the student and had feedback, it'll show up as here, so it's a good spot to keep an eye on. And class announcements in the middle will show the current pacing guide, but if you have the printed pacing guide, you are good to go. Thanks for viewing this video, and as always, email or call with any questions.